Have you ever wished that your drawings could come alive, to move around or even dance? Let's make that wish come true today and make your drawings float and move. Safety and fashion first. Take your permanent marker and draw some hearts. Now take your dry erase marker and draw more hearts. Let the drawing dry for a minute or so. Gently pour water onto your plate. Okay, so what happened? Markers contain a solvent, usually some kind of alcohol, color pigments, and resin. The type of resin is the key to make ink erasable and floatable. In permanent markers, the resin used is an acrylic polymer. This is a binding agent and makes the ink stick to the surface. In dry erase markers, the resin used is an oily silicone polymer. It is a release agent and makes the ink very slippery so it does not stick to the surface. This is why your teacher can wipe off dry erase markers from the whiteboard in your classroom. Now try to make your own drawings float. Try different shapes and colors. Which works better? Try different surfaces. Can you pick up your drawings? Does it work better with hot water or cold? You can even erase your drawings. Remember, seeing it is believing it, and have fun!